So if you want to follow along, I will be using SQLpractice.com, which has a ton of completely free questions for you to practice SQL. And the problem says, show all allergies ordered by popularity. Remove null values from the query. All right, so let's start by taking a look at our table. We're using a database with fake patient data from a hospital. And we have a table called patients, which includes all the basic information from every patient that has come to the hospital. Let's do a select star to see all the columns in the table. And as you can see, we have patient ID, first name, last name, gender, birth date, city, province ID, allergies, height, and weight. And the column we're going to need is this allergies column. As you can see, sometimes it's null, and then sometimes it has data like penicillin, sulfa, and so on. So let's go ahead and solve this. So we're going to start by saying select allergies, as that is the column we want to see. And then we want a count of how many people have that allergy. So we're going to do a count star, which will count the number of rows for each allergy type. And since we're using an aggregate function with a column with multiple results, we have to add a group by statement. So I'm going to say group by allergies, and let's run that and see what we get. And as you can see, we get a list of allergies and how many patients have that allergy. We also get a row with nulls, and the problem told us to exclude that from our results. So we're going to go back before the group by statement and add a where to work as our filter. And we're going to say where allergies is not null. And let's run that. And just like that, the null row is gone. And so all that's left to solve the problem is to order our rows by the number of patients who have that allergy from largest to smallest. So to do that, we're just going to add an order by at the end. And we can actually do this two ways. One is to say count star, and we'll put descending. And that way it's ordered by descending order. So the largest is at the top. Another way we could do this, it's say we rename this as patient count. And let's run that. So this column will now be called patient count instead of just count star. Here in the order bar, we can call the alias. We don't have to say count star. We can just count. Put patient count in there and run that, and we'll get the exact same result. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other topics you want me to cover. And follow me for more data content.